Okay, so Copaiba Softgels deliver internal benefits of Copaiba essential oil to support your cardiovascular, immune, digestive, respiratory, and nervous systems. Hey, what's going on here? It's Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we are going to do another great unboxing for October with the doTERRA LRP, which stands for Loyalty Rewards Program. And without further ado, let's get right into it. There was a little damage here upon shipping, but it's all good. Everything is intact. I also got a number of products for free this month, which I'll go over and then give details in the description area below. Yes, excited. I was running out of stuff. I know this month has some really good stuff. Okay, here we go. All right, so there's all the goodness. All right, so we'll just start off with the V-Shakes right here, which is what I use for my green smoothies. I actually ran out, so I got 2 of them, and this supports healthy weight, energy, and digestion with plant-based proteins and fibers. There you go. There's nutritional facts a little bit there, so you can see. And then the ingredients are right there. There you go. All right, I love these and use these every month, and it's like a vanilla flavor. There you go. All right, so let's keep on going. Get this bubble wrap out. I also got the TerraZymes. Running a little low on these as well. These are digestive enzymes. These help break down the fats, carbs, proteins, sugars, fibers from cooked foods. And the rule of thumb is you take 1 of these about 30 minutes before your meal. If your meal is about 1/3 cooked, take 2 if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and you take 3 if your meal is completely cooked. And these are very important, again, for breaking down your food. And enzymes are deficient in the standard American diet, which stands for SAD or SAD. But you can become glad when you use these. There you go, there you go. All right, so let's keep on going. I was running out of the foaming hand wash for the bathroom as well as the kitchen. And this is the refill bottles. These are $1 for point, which is really, really beneficial. Love the foaming hand wash, and the dispensers is what I have in the bathroom and in my kitchen. And these help clean your hands. It's a nice aroma, non-toxic, green cleaner. It's very soft, it lathers well. Love this stuff, and it uses the On Guard blend, which is great at taking care of unfriendly microorganisms. There you go. All right, love these. I mean, the key is to kind of have like inventory and then backup inventory, because you don't want to run out of anything. That's why you see a lot of twos of things. It's like Noah's Ark up in here, and literally there's a wooden box like a ship, and it's 2 of everything. All right, the Fractionated Coconut Oil. This is a carrier oil that I use after my showers, mostly morning and night, to moisturize my head and my face. This also helps the absorption of the essential oils go better into my skin, covers larger surface area, it's non-greasy, no smell. Love this stuff. This is a staple. Some people are like, well, why don't I just use organic and raw coconut oil, Lance? And I use it as well. I mostly use that for my whole body, or I use it for cooking or things that, you know, in place of butter, since I'm vegan. But I like this, the fractionated coconut oil, again, because it's non-greasy. It absorbs really quickly and really well. And, you know, there's no smell. I like the coconut smell, but still, it's just a really quick and easy solution for topical moisturization. And I absolutely love it. This is a staple for sure. All right, so let's keep on going here. Keep on going. All right, and this is the other thing I got. So PB Assist, these are probiotics. Also has a prebiotic, which feeds the probiotics. You can see some of those right here. These are beneficial microorganisms that help break down your foods, support your immune system, support your digestion. This is also very important, and this is missing in the standard American diet, which is also sad. But when you take these, you can get glad. There you go. All right. And then one of my favorite products, the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is the vegan version, so completely plant-based. So we have the Microplex VMZ, fills in the gap from what you don't get from your foods, since our soils are so depleted of nutrients due to the industrialized agricultural revolution. And so this is very important to supplement, and you can see a little bit here on the supplement facts. I have videos that cover more details. Basically, you're just getting plant-based vitamins, minerals, nutrients to, again, fill in the gap from what you don't get from your foods in a more easily absorbable whole food format. You can see the whole food blend right there. You can see there's active enzymes to help break down your food as well. And then you see the Tummy Tamer blend to support digestion. So there's a lot of great stuff. It's very multifaceted, and I take this every month. It's great. Next in here is the VE Omega. This is the essential fatty acids of 3, 6, and 9, or omegas 3, 6, and 9. And you can see here there's some other great stuff in there. Oh, here we go. All right, so there's vitamins. There's the vegetarian omega blend, which comes with a number of different amazing options there. Carotenoid blend. And then the CPTG essential oil blend. So there's 9 different essential oils there to support you on a cellular level for your brain, your muscles, and your joints. Very important. This is also missing in the standard American diet, which is omegas 3, 6, and 9. There's actually an imbalance. It's more omega-6s, which is not good. And so you want this to help balance things out, and this will take you from sad to glad on a cellular level. There you go. Now let's look at the last amigo of the 3 amigos. Oh goodness, here we go. And the Lifelong Vitality Pack is doTERRA's best-selling product, and it offers a lot of value. And this is the Alpha CRS Plus Cellular Vitality Blend. Energy in a bottle, supports your mitochondria, which are like the little engines of your cells, without sugar, without caffeine. You can see some of the ingredients here. You have the Cellular Longevity Blend, a number of plant-based botanicals, extracts, great stuff there. Then you have the Cellular Energy Blend, some amazing, awesome ingredients there. The doTERRA Tummy Tamer Blend, the doTERRA Tummy Tamer Blend. There we go, got excited. So that's going to support digestion, and you can see a trend. A lot of these support, your cellular health, your digestion, and that's super important with all these supplements. There you go. There's that. And then let's talk about some of the oils, because I was very supplement heavy, but hey, sometimes I'm supplement heavy, sometimes I'm essential oil ready. Oh, okay. All right, so I got, there was a product of the month, and then there was a 200-point special. So let me just kind of get everything prepped here. I love bubble wrap sound, right? It's just kind of like, ooh, like Christmas in a box. I'm telling you, I'm telling you. All right, so here we go. Bam, bam. There we go. Okay, so I actually got some peppermint. There it is. This is, I was running out. I actually needed more essential oils, but I was like, holy smokes. My wish list is becoming a great list. So I kind of have to ration things out so I don't get too much in one month. I like to kind of spread things out and then use points the next month. And so, but yeah, peppermint, got that. And then with regards to the special, let's see, Clementine is what the product of the month was for 125 points or more. And this is a citrus oil. I will end up using this in my green smoothies, or to clean my hands, or to actually add to my facial regimen, because that's pretty much what I do. I swap out lemon or wild orange or lime or grapefruit as a part of my 4 essential oil face care regimen every morning and night. I've done a video on that, so you can check that out. But yeah, I like mixing up the citrus oils here and there. Adds a nice fun aromatherapy experience, as well as topical support for skin, which is very, very important. Skin's the largest organ on your body, and it talks to you, right? So if you got wrinkles or breakouts, something's going on. We need to support an organ or cells or the body. Okay, so there's Clementine. And then let's keep going. And then there was a 200-point special, so if you order 200 points or more, you got the Copaiba Softgels, which have a number of benefits. Let's see. We're going to, I've done a video on it, but the Copaiba Softgels deliver internal benefits of Copaiba essential oil to support your cardiovascular, immune, you probably can't see. That's probably better, right? We'll just hold this up as I'm reading the bottle. There we go. Okay, so Copaiba Softgels deliver internal benefits of Copaiba essential oil to support your cardiovascular, immune, digestive, respiratory, and nervous systems. And the vegetarian soft gels provide a convenient way to receive a daily dose of Copaiba essential oil. So yeah, you could use the oil here, or you could use the soft gels internally to support your overall digestive health. And so this is more convenient, and then this is just more, the oil. And so I love Copaiba. It is amazing. There's so many other benefits that I am not able to cover in this video, but yeah, you can check those out on my channel as well. And then lastly, there was a little yellow Mandarin, 5 ml. So another citrus oil that I will be using to clean my hands, add to my smoothie, green smoothie recipes, or my facial regimen. So I kind of have these oils that I kind of swap out and swap in, because I have so much of like a wellness lifestyle routine, and it's great. It adds a little bit of variety sometimes, a little bit of excitement, but still supports my health. And that's so important, to be a product of the product, and just help yourself so you can help others. And I think that's so much lost in today's stressful life you know, and so that's why I love these products. They help me to be proactive with my wellness lifestyle and increase my quality of life and enjoy and enhance my life even further. And so that's what I love about all these oils, is they're amazing, and they help you on a cellular level to address the root cause, and they're great. Love them all. And that is pretty much everything in here. It's just bubble wrap. Just need to kind of toss out everything. So the next step that I usually do with everything is just prep them for storage and prep them for use. And so that means like removing the plastics and everything else, which I'm not going to show on this video, but just know that what that does by removing all the plastics and just, you know, all the lids and, you know, prepping everything, is it reduces barriers to use. And then when you put them in places where you can't help but see them, it increases your likelihood of using them. So a lot of it is awareness. A lot of it is, hey, these are very beneficial. How can you make sure that you use them and get the value out of them so they don't collect dust, they don't, you know, stay in the box they come in. I make sure that I do these unboxing videos as a way to hold myself accountable to not only open what's in here, but to prep them and to make my wellness lifestyle intentional. Like I make sure that if I'm gonna, you know, search for a higher quality of life, I need to be doing something daily and not just waiting for something bad to happen. I need to do something that's intentional and value added, that takes care of myself from an immune system standpoint, digestion, energy, sleep, stress, what else, skin, you know, hormonal, every aspect. And a lot of those, you know, it's kind of like, you know, you hit a few birds with one stone, because the essential oils help with so many things. And, you know, that, and when you know, you combine that with eating right and exercise, I mean, you're hitting a lot of birds with, you know, a few different stones. But anyways, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.